English story Lifeline. In a small village, there was a wise old man named Arjun who was known for helping anyone in need. One day, a young boy, Ravi, fell into a deep well. While playing, he cried out for help, but no one heard him except Arjun. Arjun quickly found out a long rope, tied one end to a tree, and threw the other into the well. Ravi held on to the rope tightly as Arjun pulled with all his might. Ravi held on to the rope tightly as Arjun pulled with all his might. Once Ravi was safe, he thanked Arjun and asked, "Why did you help me so quickly? You could have called others to help." Arjun smiled and said, "A rope may seem simple, but when someone is in need, it becomes a lifeline. If you wait too long to act, the lifeline loses its purpose." Moral: timely help can save lives. Act when you can make a difference. Thank you.